Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like fried chicken, today's your lucky day because I'm going to share with you my own way fried chicken. There is so many different kind of fried chicken in this whole wide world. This my fried chicken is easy. Of course, I like easy one. Halo teman-teman, hari ini saya akan bikin goreng ayam. Resep saya sendiri ya di sini karena di mana-mana itu banyak sekali ayam goreng, tapi ayam goreng saya ini gampang dan super spesial. So without further ado, let's start chopping the chicken. Ayo kita ke dapur motongin ayamnya. I have 2 whole chicken here that I cut it into 8 pieces. So basically one chicken I cut into 4. Ya, saya punya 2 ayam di sini, 2 ekor ayam yang saya potong jadi 8. Jadi kalau satu ayam itu cuma jadi 4. Ini karena ayam kampung jadi kurus ya, kayaknya kurang gizi deh. Terus and now for marinade I need ginger and garlic. Well, this is 2 garlic and this is maybe 1 cm ginger. Jadi ini saya punya bawang putih sama jahe yang udah saya parut. Bawang putihnya sekitar 2. Terus juga ketumbar. This is coriander powder. A coriander powder. But I need about 1 tablespoon. And also white pepper. I will try to make it like 20/10. I didn't count though, so I don't know if this is really 20. Jadi tadi tuh ketumbarnya ya, saya pakai 1 sendok makan. Terus ini mericanya sekitar 20 putaran ya, kalau ditakar mungkin 1 sendok teh. And the most important thing is salt. This is salt. Sekitar 1 sendok atau mungkin 2 sendok teh ya, karena saya nggak pernah naker ini garam. Okay, just usually I put like 1 or 2 teaspoons, just depend on how much chicken that you have. And this is how you massage the chicken. Jadi ini ayamnya dipijat dulu ya, biar nyaman, biar enak. So look how it is. When everything is covered with the marinade, and you just leave it for a couple of hours, or for the best result you need to put it in the fridge for maybe overnight. And when you fry it, then the taste will enter to the meat. Jadi kalau emang teman-teman tuh punya waktu, akan lebih baik lagi kalau ini disimpan di kulkas semalaman, jadi nanti rasanya tuh udah ngeresep. Okay, this is the end of the chicken being marinated. Then I'm going to leave it for some hours before I'm going to fry it. Okay guys, now it's time for me to fry the chicken that we marinated earlier. And here I have my pot and fire. Just trying to make the pot a bit hotter before I put the oil. And since this is a deep fried, so I need lots of oil. That will do. Let's just wait for a couple minutes before the oil is hot. You don't want to put anything deep fried when the oil is not hot. Okay, now I think the oil is hot. If you're not sure whether your oil is hot or not, and this is how to check it. When you see that bubbling, that's mean your oil is ready. Jadi sekarang udah waktunya buat kita untuk goreng ayamnya ya, yang tadi kita bumbuin. Dan saya udah ada minyak di sini. Kalau yang namanya goreng itu memang minyaknya harus banyak ya. Jadi nggak usah takut naruh minyak. Karena kalau minyaknya nggak banyak juga gorengannya nggak bagus. Terus lagi juga harus panas. Kalau nggak panas gorengannya juga nanti nggak bagus. So here we go. I'll put the chicken in. I like to fry the skin part first, because to make it golden brown before I flip it over. Biasanya tuh aku memang lebih suka goreng yang bagian kulitnya dulu, jadi kalau udah coklat nanti kita balik. Okay, and this will take like, let's say 3 or 4 minutes before we flip it over, or just depend on how hot is your fire, but make sure don't put the fire too big. Jadi ini kira-kira 3 atau 4 menit ya baru dibalik. Jadi tergantung juga apinya, tapi jangan gede-gede, karena kalau apinya kegedean nanti luarnya hangus, dalamnya nggak matang. Dan I'm afraid that the oil will become everywhere, so I prefer to cover them. Karena saya takut nanti minyaknya tuh loncat-loncat, jadi saya tutupin. Guys, now I think it's ready to flip it over. Let's see. Look at that. Sekarang udah siap untuk dibalik ya. Lihat itu warnanya, cantik kan? Terus kita tutup lagi. Cover it again and we cook it for another 3 or 4 minutes. Let's see what's happened now. Yuk kita lihat lagi. Yep, this is the color that I want. This is beautiful, right? So I want it to skin to be a little bit more crispier, so I'm going to leave it like another 2 minutes. Karena saya tidak mau kulitnya tuh garing ya, jadi saya mau diemin selama mungkin 2 menit lagi. Oke, setelah 2 menit kita lihat sekarang ya, udah waktunya buat saya untuk mangkat ayam. So this is the chicken, guys, is ready. It's beautiful, isn't it? So this is what I do. Put it in the strainer. As you can see, it's pretty. It is golden brown, very pretty. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now it's moment of truth that 2 of my handsome boys going to try the chicken that we fried earlier. You can try them, boys, and let me know how is it. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. I do.
You like it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. that's my boys, that they like Indonesian food, and that is one of his favorite food, which is Indonesian fried chicken, my own style.